Javar, what's up, bro?
Boy, feeling good, you know? Get a buy run in the second round.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Currently,
Yeah.
is there any FK8 on the island that's faster than yours?
Well-
By time.
Currently, no.
So you are the fastest
Yeah, so I'm
FK8
making
time
the most power, and this is the fastest time my FK8 has run so far.
in the island.
In the island, yeah.
Congrats, bro.
It's good.
Hope you take it home.
Me too. Working on it.
All right, big up, Javar.
Good play.
All right. So we're there with mental. Alex, how does it feel to be going to the finals?
The job is halfway complete. We have one more round. So
All right.
catch up with you after this round.
All the best. All right, so Javar, we are back with you. We realize that you made it to the 13-second finals.
Yes. It's a good day.
Huh?
It's a good day.
Good day.
Yeah.
No, I mean, all I can say is all the best. I hope the next time we're talking to you, you're on the podium.
Alright, thank you,
All
sir. I'll make it up.
Mr. Javar Smith, runner-up in the Pro Street 13. Congratulations with your beautiful FK8 Honda Civic. It's nice to see one out. Well, it's not the only one, but nice to know that you have figured out to keep this car very competitive, pushing the Honda platform. And it is definitely great to see. Maybe one day you can bring it back to the importers at ATL and say, let's start a FK8 series here at next meet. I think they'll come out. Big up Javar Smith. All right, Mr. Alex Mental Innis. Boy, you are something else to deal with that truck, but yeah, you love racing. Boy, I don't know. I'm not even saying nothing. Congratulations, Mental. Now, this will not hear the end of this. Winner of the Pro Street 13-second class, Alex Innis, all the way from Montego Bay.